And welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to open these items that I bought from Shopee and also from IKEA. So I'm very excited to show them to you guys. And most of these items were in my wish list for so long. Like since January, I've been listing the items that I want to buy. And finally, they're here. And also, I wanted to thank you for watching my vlogs, for not skipping the ads. I wouldn't have the chance to buy these items without you guys. So thank you very much, because this is the fruit of my YouTube sahod. So thank you guys again. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, so I have my mini cutter here, and let's start with the items from Shopee. So this first one, I bought this for my vanity area or my vanity desk, because I need more space to put my makeup and also my skincare, because the vanity table that I use right now doesn't have any drawers, so I needed this one. I'm gonna show you guys how I assemble this later. Okay, so this next item is for organizing. Oh, colors are so cute! I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm into pink, green, and yellow colors lately. So I bought this. Oh! Cute! Parang last year lang, puro merchandise yung ina-unbox ko. And now, puro gamit na sa bahay. I bought this collapsible bins or storage containers. This is from Shopee. I bought 2 small size and 3 big sizes. So I'm also going to use this for my vanity desk. And then this next one is, I think this is a lamp. Let's see, guys. Okay. Yeah! Oh my god! So excited for this one. This is a mushroom lamp. I usually see this in Pinterest, and I wanted one also for so long. Let's see how it looks. Kind of nervous also, because if it doesn't work, I cannot return it already because it's been months since I received this. I'm going to assemble all of this right after this unboxing, so stay tuned! Okay, so that's it for now for the Shopee items. And now, oh my gosh! If you haven't seen my IKEA vlog yet, just click here. I've been wanting to go to IKEA since its opening. I've been waiting for IKEA to open here in the Philippines since 2018, I think. I'm very happy that we have one here now. And I actually waited for months to avoid the crowd and also to wait for them to have fully restocked the items. But a few days before we went to IKEA, most of the items from my wish list were almost sold out, so I bought them online and they arrived the next day. I was very surprised. I thought it will arrive a few days later, or 3 to 5 days. So if you want to order online and you don't want to go to Pasay, just go to their website and they're going to deliver it right away. And yeah, so these are the items I bought online and these are the items I bought from the store. So let's start first with the online purchases. Okay, so the first item in my cart was, oh my god, guys! So this one is the famous Cadiz pegboard. I've been seeing this on my archive account on Twitter. Follow me there. I think this one is an essential for the buy and sell community or the archive community. And I'm also seeing this on Pinterest and also Instagram. I really wanted one, and finally I have this. So when we came to IKEA in Pasay, there were no stocks already. And it's a good thing I ordered this online. And then I also ordered some accessories. So this one is a mini container there, and then this one are hooks. The next one is this plant pot. I really wanted to put some plants inside my room. It's been years since I had a bedroom with sunlight, so I'm going to buy some plants from the market and put it here. So cute. And then the last items from my online purchase was this huge huge picture frame. I'm going to use this for my posters because I really wanted to display them. So I bought two. I think these are cheaper than the customized one because I usually see frames with the sizes range from 500 pesos to 700 pesos, but this is only 350 pesos. It's a good deal! Okay, let's proceed to the items that I bought in IKEA Pasay. So I have a huge bag here. So the first one is also a frame. This is where I'll put the diamond painting that my cousin gave to me. Next is this wooden hanger. I'm going to use this for my rack. And I'm going to put some clothes that I usually wear or the clothes that are in season. So there. And then I have this mini bag. This is so cute! This is like the mini version of this one. So I think I'm going to bring this to my trip to Zambales because this bag is waterproof. I can put my things and I can bring it to the beach. And then I have this cute pastel plates. I think these are for kids, but I really like the color, so I bought this. So it has 6 pieces plates, perfect for me and my friends because we're 6 people. And then 6 pairs of spoon and fork and also some knives. So yeah, I'm going to use this whenever my friends are here. And then I also got 3 of the skirt hangers for my tennis skirts. So the next ones are another Scabis accessories. I bought the clip one and also another hook. So I can also put my iPad in there. I usually see those on Pinterest. I wanted to try it. And then this one is a cell phone stand. And I also bought a bunch of glasses and vases. For the vases, I'm going to put some fresh flowers every now and then, but also artificial flowers. And for the glasses, I really want to try and take pictures of different drinks. So I'm very excited to use this. So the last 3 items from my IKEA wish list were this coffee table, the white desk, and also this is a last minute purchase. I didn't see this on the website, and when I saw this in person, I really liked it. I also bought a folding chair since my office chair or my swivel chair was broken, so I bought this one, and also to save some space because I can fold it up. And now let's assemble the items that I need to assemble. It will feel like the Run BTS episode 148 to 149, where BTS also assembled a bunch of IKEA items. So let's go! Start! Start with this one.
If it's all a simulation, I'm sad, then there's no need to fuss about it. Lost my drive, I don't even feel alive. Was I programmed to live without it? It's time to level up. Do things I never done.
The light bulb. Ang cute. This is the tiniest light bulb I've ever seen.
Could never got the same. Love's a losing game. Yes, it's game over. I've got nothing left to lose, so I'll start over. What you really want? What you waiting on? Go over. I've got nothing left to lose, so I'll go over. What you really want? What you waiting on? Track and I'm feeling brand new. Walk right past you, just enjoy the view. They've been sleeping on me, that's nothing new. Don't start acting friendly when the checks come through. I thought it was a race, but no one's in my lane. Gone without a trace. Yeah, setting my own pace. I know one thing's for sure, nobody's invincible. You wanna be perfect, but nobody's been there before. Validate yourself. Cause the trends are gonna change and move on to someone else. Now it's game over.
I bought this white vest.
What you really want?
So this is the linen one and Adil's. Size niya is 60 by 100. Okay, first stand. This is what it looks like so far. Open this. Thank you, Kuya Dek, for letting me borrow your drip. Sobrang laking tulong.